Department of Archer, you got aircraft rolling on departure on 1-1 right now. Okay, we'll go over to the other side then. We'll use 1-1 as well. 55. So we're doing extended left downwind and north test.
Okay.
Well, copy 116 on final preliminary 1-1.
Celsius, dew point -12, altimeter 3030.
Attention Longmont traffic. Avoid
Okay, 3030 set for you time.
You ready?
Yes, sir.
Brake check. That is good.
Alright, my turn. And
Longmont traffic,
here's my
55
side.
starting base for
Have you do taxi
Longmont traffic.
initially, Jeff, and then I can do it. Messing with cameras here.
Longmont traffic 208 Charlie November's taxiing out onto Alpha for runway 11. Longmont.
Alright, cleared down Alpha.
Q.
Traffic 325 starting final for 11, touch and go Longmont traffic.
We're good to power mission equipment.
Yep.
Alright, cabin power is on, guys. If you want the cameras, let me know.
We'd like to have the camera, probably, so, but we should turn the X15 on first, probably.
Alright, so that's the right-hand outboard, correct? That is powered. And then what are you on, Steve? Left-hand inboard?
Left inboard, yeah.
The left-hand inboard is powered also.
I believe at this point we can turn the matrix on too then.
I think so, yes.
What's the plan? North again and then over Bravo, you were saying, or not?
So Bruno wants us to emulate a helicopter, so you should be right at home. So maybe 1,000 AGL. I got us going to 65 right now. We'll go north, and then we can probably go toward Boulder. Right. So we can test the downlink.
Andres, do you have video?
I haven't run GC yet, hold on.
The VRS check's good.
We do need to do that. We'll do it off of Green or Metro or something.
1 line traffic, 325 starting crosswind for 11, touch and go, 1 line traffic.
Alright, got the king here on the right, I'll watch the wing as we go past. You should go over the top and be good. No problems.
Long line traffic, 325 starting downwind for 11, touch and go, long line.
I got a fault right away on this ion up front. I don't know if that...
Yes, I do have video.
Okay.
Longline traffic. November 76 X-ray Papa is departing runway 1 run, turn to the south.
We doing live streaming today?
Well, I got a fault on this ion, so I don't know that we can.
Did anybody ask for us to do live streaming?
I believe we would like to test that, yeah.
Try cycling.
Where are we going to run here?
Power just on the ion, or maybe...
Traffic 16 Lima, turning crosswind.
Yeah, actually, Nathan's looking at it.
Okay.
Line traffic, 325 starting base for 11, touch and go, long line traffic.
Alright, you ready?
Yep.
Alright, before takeoff, park and brake.
Set.
Each seat belts and shoulder harnesses.
Good.
Flight controls.
I see a shadow.
Alright, altitude select, I got 6,500 pre-selected. Stand by instruments. Looks good, we got 30-30 set 3 times. Fuel boost switch.
Norm.
Tank selectors.
Both.
Full quantity.
1200.
And shut off.
Good.
And trims.
Long line traffic, 325, short final, 11, touch and go, long line traffic.
Good.
3 times. Power lever, 400 foot-pound checked. You did not do this, so let's do this. 400. It's full 28.5. We have 28.5. Inertial SEP.
Amp increase. Torque decrease.
Alright. Speed governor check. Prop RPM lever should be full forward. And it is. Alright, test and hold, yep. Stabilize at 1750 plus or minus 60. And it does. Alright, power lever back to idle and release overspeed governor button. Friction, you happy where it is?
Yeah.
Alright, standby power check is already completed.
Traffic, experimental 56 Bravo X-ray.
Alright, pitch trim.
North, 10 miles out.
I'm going down. Go up, I'll go up. You go down, alright, that all works. Ice protection not required.
Long line traffic, 325 turning crosswind.
Full separator
for 11.
considered, not required. VNX and radar set for departure. And nav source is set for departure, not used. Transponder, we should be squawking 1200, we are. Enunciators, none.
Long line traffic 16 Lima,
Maps.
turning final for runway 11, touch and go.
Are set for takeoff approach. And indicating. Cabin heat not required. Crew vent window, yours is shut. Takes fuel condition lever to high idle. Alright, we'll do a normal takeoff, right hand, right seat takeoff.
Yep.
Alright, it'll be my takeoff then. If we see any flags, any reason to stop on the runway, we will. Otherwise, we're going to go left of the houses and the buildings down there. We won't turn back for anything under 6,000 feet. And 1-1 is in use. If you see anything, say something. Otherwise, that will be the plan.
Alright.
Traffic,
Dude, I like,
midfield downwind for
if we're at 500 feet, this is
traffic.
I mean, if you're at 500 feet at the end of the runway, I mean, I think we could turn it back at
Think so.
500 feet. I don't know. Below 500 for sure.
Did you
Straight.
figure out that
I'll try it someday.
There
Okay.
you go.
Are you guys good to go back
We'll
there?
make sure we have passengers.
Everybody good?
Way good.
Good. Alright.
Lights are on.
Hey,
He just took off, so.
I don't see anybody on final. I don't see downwind.
Trevor, do you know what the IP address of that Ion is, or?
I do not. 1 second. And Longmont Traffic Caribbean 208, Charlie November is departing runway 11. Will be a straight out departure, then a left turn to the north at Longmont.
Longmont traffic, 2 Fox, turning base for 1-1. Longmont traffic.
Okay, it's your controls.
At my controls.
Did not push toga. Heading bug is set.
Okay, here we go.
Power is set.
On traffic, experimental flight.
Airspeed's alive.
Inbound from the north for 1-1, 6,200 feet. Longmont.
Watch that guy. 70.
Longmont traffic, 3 Fox, turning final for 1-1.
25,
Longmont
rotate.
traffic.
Positive rate. Gear up.
Longmont traffic, 16 Lima on crosswind for runway 11, touch and go, Longmont.
Longmont Traffic Caribbean 208, Charlie November is left crosswind departure to the north at Longmont.